Ang buong akala ko sa mga events ng mga kagaya nitong event ng Filipino Music Awards, sa mga ganitong klaseng event, medyo prestige. Kumbaga, nandun yung mga alamat, yung mga karamihan legend, at Cebu Pacific, wow! Sobrang ganda, sobrang sarap na nag-i-intro ako. May Cebu yan na nga ang sinasabi ko. At I was not well informed, and hindi ko siya lubos maisip na sa ganitong mga okasyon, no, para mga awards night, which is supposed to be, a little bit demure, a little bit professional in a way, na may mga bagay na mangyayaring ganito, na may mga taong or may mga individual na makakapasok kung saan pwede palang makadalo ang mga tao na hindi nabiyayaan ng kaunting manners o ano man lang, o values sa kanilang buhay, dahil yon ay hindi na ituturo sa paaralan, apparently, no? So this is a video by Miss O. Ang title nito ay SB19 gets booed by these people at the Filipino Music Awards. So yung thumbnail niya, Daya Blooms. So I think I don't know, man. So apparently this is a Beanie fan. I don't know, I haven't watched the video yet, but other actors made contents about this, and I just wanna know what happened at paano na nabibigyan ng wow. Paano sila nabibigyan ng pass na makapasok yung mga ganitong klaseng tao, kasi itong mga klaseng tao dapat sa gate pa lang sinasapak, ay hindi sa gate pa lang dapat, oy tanga ka, bawal ka dito. Okay, sige, tingnan natin kung ano to. Hindi ko alam eh. Okay, sige, let's go, panoorin natin. Wait lang, i-record ko muna para hindi ako okay, saglit lang, ayusin ko lang. Alright.
SB19 booed by these people at the Filipino Music Awards.
By these people, sabi mo, Blooms.
These happened at the Filipino Music Awards, where this man, wearing a blue and white cap with a logo allegedly similar to a Beanie member apparel and clothing brand, together with his companion, booed and made a thumbs down gesture when SB19 was mentioned on stage.
So buong akala ko, pag sabing SB19, boo! Akala ko parang sumigaw na gano'n. So parang silent pala na. Parang gano'n. Okay. Tapos na-connecta ito sa Beanie, sa mga fans ng Beanie, kasi suot niya ay clothing or apparel ng isang Beanie member. I don't know kung sinong Beanie member ito, na hey everyone, Aya's family business called Aya pa talaga, bias ko. Aya's family business called It's Arc is an apparel and clothing brand that will be up very soon. Damn. So si Aya yung parang so tignan natin.
And clothing brand, together with his companion, booed and made a thumbs down gesture when SB19 was mentioned on stage.
Bitter.
At eto pa nakuha sa isang live stream on the said event.
Miss O getting the receipts, y'all. Talagang may resibo, di ba kita nyo kami kung kami ng opinion namin, kung magsabi kami ng gusto namin sabihin, we got the receipts, di ba? Let's go.
At eto pa nakuha sa isang live stream on the said event.
Meron. Ayaw namin yan. Bini gusto nyo.
Grabe lang na yung ugaling kanal sa social media when people are using dummy accounts ay heto dinadala sa totoong buhay. Well, di na nakapagtataka since they even badmouth SB19 to these foreign reactors sa concert mismo ng kanilang mga idols.
Meron pa! Meron pa! Okay. So sabi nila ayaw nila ng SB19. Gusto nila Bini. Nag-perform ba ang Bini sa ano? Kasi I've watched the performance of SB19 dito sa Philippine Music Awards and we got the most awards of the night which is 6. Kaya siguro medyo masakit yung dibdib nila. And I get it, man. I get it na medyo bitter sila. Pero yung ganitong sa mga ganitong event which is you are being awarded based on some criteria, hindi naman dinaya, hindi naman siya. Depende siya sa depende siya sa kung ano talaga yung tingin ng event na to. Medyo unprofessional at unethical yung dating kapag ka medyo ipakita mong bitter ka dito. Hindi naman to parang kung na podcast, you can say anything you want. Gaya ko, sabihin ko na, hindi ko trip yung Bini. Hindi ako sure kung kaya ba nila sa Coachella kasi nga sintonado sila sa ASAP. I can say that kasi wala naman ako sa mga ganitong formal events. Diba? Nandito ako sa channel ko, I can say my opinion on things. Pero pag nandito ka, medyo ang pangit nun. Diba? Siyempre, man, I understand kung sabihin niya, ayoko niyan, gusto ko Bini. I get it. Pero nandito ka sa, alam mo yun, nandiyan ka sa isang event na pinro-promote sana yung P-pop and OPM in general. Sana man lang sabi na hindi ko, man, good for them. Alam mo yun, kahit ganun lang. Good for them. Diba? Wala kahit ako, I'm a little bit sad. I'm not gonna front, I'm not gonna lie. Maraming, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung awards or parang category na magkasabay yung Bini at SB19. I'm a little bit sad na nakakalungkot yun, di ba? Parang because I don't hate these people, man. I don't care. Sa BGYO siguro may konting grudge ako, pero sabihin I don't care, man. They're good. They're good singers and dancers. I don't care. Yung fans lang talaga nila na toxic yung I mean they have good fans, solid din naman. Pero may mga fans talaga na they take it way too far and they're too immature and those I hate. 'Di ba? Pero I'm a little bit sad for Bini. Kung ilalagay ko lang yung sapatos ko as a fan na damn, wala man lang ni isang nakalusot yung Bini. Alongside with SB19 in the same category, wala man lang sila nakuha. Medyo malungkot din ako sa side nila, man. Hindi ako parang ulul, dapat sa inyo yan. No, 'di ba? Kasi nga dito inaangat natin yung OPM in general, ang P-pop na parang we give props to everybody. Ang ma-nominate ka lang is good, 'di ba? Hindi para batuhin ka pa ng putik. 'Di ba? Hindi dapat ganito ang pinapakitang ugali sa mga ganyang shit. Lalo na parang pinost pa nila yung video, 'di ba? They did they did it using their brain. I'm gonna post this shit, 'di ba? Meaning aware sila na ipopost nila na binubuo nila yung SB19. And it's not good. Medyo mahapdi na ba na pala hindi naman namin kasalanan kung nananalo. Kasi kung titingnan ko my gosh. Deserve nila yung deserve din ng iba, no? There are some categories na masasabi ko na mayroon daw isa na pwedeng okay, mas deserve. Kung ito nanalo at natalo niya ang SB19, okay, deserve niya to. Pwede naman. Alam mo yun, kaya nung yung Dilaw, I can understand if they won over SB19. Diba? Huwag tayong iyakin, huwag tayong bitter and shit, diba? It's not good. Eto na lang, kung sige nga. Kung palag-palag talaga, di gawa kayo ng magandang kanta, bro. The fuck? Diba? Don't hate the player, hate the game. You can't do nothing about that shit. Problema nyo yan.
Ito dinadala sa totoong buhay. Well, di na nakapagtataka since they even badmouth SB19 to these foreign reactors sa concert mismo ng kanilang mga idols.
Damn.
With someone we watched, we met at the Bini concert. They were like,
we're like, oh my God,
so angry.
Napakababa ng mentalidad at intelligence ng mga animal na to. I'm not saying blooms, I don't care, man. Yung mga blooms na normal na hindi nang hate, it's okay. Pero ito, yung you take your time para mang-bash. Concert na yun ng Beanie. You should have just enjoyed yourselves talking about your idols, you know, and admiring them and just focusing on the event kasi concert nga ng Beanie. No! What they did was, they talked to these reactors, international reactors, Efra and Waleska, and said some things about SB19. Anong connect? Ang tanga no? Utak, I mean, yun yung isa sa mga mga ebidensya na talagang hindi SB19 is renting their head, is staying on their head rent free, 'di ba? Talagang hindi sila makatulog, 'di ba? What the F, bro?
Always so angry.
To these foreign reactors sa concert mismo ng kanilang mga idols.
Oh yeah, with someone we watched, we met at the Beanie concert. They were like, yeah,
we're
it's
like, oh my god,
so angry, always so angry.
And she was like, oh, those boys are always so angry. And I'm like, what do you mean?
And this one na intentional na dumaan sa fan event ng SB19 and even gloated it on social media. Now, I posted this video para malaman natin ang mga ugali at bagay na hindi dapat pamarisan. We don't need to get even or take revenge. What we should do is to never be like them.
Damn.
Tandaan, success and happiness are the best revenge.
Damn. That it? That was it, y'all. My gosh, bruh. Yeah, man. Having an opinion is okay, but yung timing pwede man namang sarilihin yung opinion mo and hating someone is not an opinion. And you know, posting it in social media without merit and without giving context on why you hate these people. Because if you ask me about my statements sa mga past vlogs ko, I have reasons why, diba? I don't hate them personally. When we talk about Beanie, I don't hate them personally. Actually, I like their old songs. I like them. How they sing and dance. Diba? But when I see watered down contents or things, I'll say it, you know. Hindi ako believe sa performance sa ASAP nila. Kasi ganito, ganyan. O, di ba? Ganun, pwede yun. That's constructive criticism. But just booing on an event, a public event where legends are there, sobrang puno yun ng mga talented na mga respetado na tao. Take note, the word is respetado. You should be respectful towards these artists. Di ba? Kasi nga sila nga nire-respeto nila yung mga kapwa-artists. And remember, your fans somehow represent you. 'Di ba? Kayo ang salamin ng inyong iniidolo. Kasi when you're toxic, then that just says that somehow your idols are also a little bit toxic too. Kasi nga kayo yung ang salamin ng mga fina-follow nyo, kaya nga kami mababait. Medyo kupal lang ako minsan. Kasi nga kailangan kong mag-speak out, man. Because I don't like being bullied in this shit. I understand my fellow 18 are really, really nice and just tells me sometimes na kalma ka lang, Curbs. But, you know, pag lahat ay tatanggapin na lang ito at hindi tayo magsasalita ng kahit konti, it's not good, man. Tingnan mo nga si Miss O, di ba? Medyo ugaling kanal daw. So that's that, man. Fuck them, di ba? Good for them, have their own opinion, but bringing this to an event is not good, di ba? You make yourself look like fools, di ba? So thank you, that was it for today. This is Curbs PH, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're gonna make more contents regarding SB19 and P-pop and genre chismis, you know. This has been Curbs PH. Wow, dumighay pa, you know, and you, Master, have been amazing. Yeah.